Welcome to my channel. HP LaserJet Pro M126nw Not Printing Paper Jam Fix Guide. Step 1. Check the printer power. Make sure the HP LaserJet Pro M126nw printer is turned on properly. Check the power cable and confirm the display screen is working without errors. Step 2. Verify paper tray. Remove the paper tray and check if papers are loaded correctly. Avoid overfilling the tray because extra paper can cause paper jam issues. Step 3. Remove jammed paper carefully. Open the front and rear covers of the printer slowly. Pull out any stuck paper gently with both hands to avoid tearing the paper inside. Step 4. Inspect rollers inside. Look inside the printer for small paper pieces near the rollers. Even tiny paper scraps can stop the printer from printing properly. Step 5. Restart the printer. Turn off the printer and unplug the power cable for 1 minute. Plug it back in and restart the printer to refresh the system. Step 6. Check printer connection. Ensure the printer is connected properly through Wi-Fi or USB cable. A weak or disconnected connection may stop print jobs from working. Step 7. Clear pending print jobs. Open your computer's printer queue and cancel all stuck print jobs. Then try printing a fresh test page again. Step 8. Update printer driver. Install the latest HP LaserJet Pro M126nw driver on your computer. Old or corrupted drivers can create printing and paper jam errors. Step 9. Clean the paper rollers. Use a soft dry cloth to clean the paper rollers carefully. Dust and dirt on rollers often cause repeated paper feeding problems. Step 10. Print a test page. After completing all steps, print a test page to confirm the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, reset the printer to factory settings. Thanks for watching.